Understanding mistakes in Git.
Everyone makes mistakes while using Git. Whether you committed the wrong file, made a bad merge, or want to undo some changes, Git offers powerful tools to help. Learning how to safely reverse changes prevents lost work and keeps your code history clean. Let's explore how Git's revert, reset, and checkout commands can help you fix errors confidently.
Using revert to undo commits safely.
Git revert command creates a new commit that undoes changes from a previous commit. This is the safest way to fix mistakes because it preserves your project's history. You might use revert if you made a mistake in a shared branch, since everyone will see the undo as a new recorded change. It's especially useful in collaborative projects.
Reset, rewriting commit history.
Git reset moves your branch pointer to a different commit, effectively discarding newer commits. It can be risky, especially on shared branches, because it permanently erases changes. Soft resets keep your changes in staging, while hard resets erase work from the history and your files. Use reset carefully, ideally on your own local branches.
Checkout, restoring files and branches.
Git checkout lets you restore files or switch to a different branch or commit. If you accidentally changed a file, you can check out the last committed version to discard local edits. You can also check out earlier branches to review or work from past project states. Be cautious. Checking out commits detaches your head, meaning you're not on a current branch.
Choosing the right undo command.
Knowing when to use revert, reset, or checkout is key to undoing mistakes. Use revert for shared history, reset for local cleanups, and checkout for restoring files or exploring history without making permanent changes. Practice these commands in test repositories to build confidence, and always double-check before running destructive Git commands.